Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes brownies. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and assembling all ingredients on the counter. Use room temperature eggs and melted butter for smoother batter. Measure flour and cocoa carefully and sift if possible. Decide on texture and bake times early so you can adjust for moist brownies or fluffy cupcakes. Combine melted butter and sugar, then whisk in eggs and vanilla until glossy and combined. In a separate bowl, mix flour, cocoa, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Add dry ingredients to wet in 2 additions and stir until just combined to avoid overmixing. Fold in chocolate chips or nuts gently to keep the batter tender and evenly distributed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you do not miss future recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts as long as your favorite bakeware. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For cupcakes, fill liners 2/3 full so they rise evenly without overflowing. For brownies, press batter into a greased pan and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs for fudgy results. Rotate pans halfway through baking for even color. Allow brownies to cool before slicing to set the center, and let cupcakes cool on a rack to keep them from steaming and getting soggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.